Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be demoing and reviewing the new spring collection that Patrickstarr and MAC just collaborated on. I'm so excited about this collection. It is straight up my alley, and everything about it is just like, I'm speechless. Congratulations to you, Patrickstarr, for coming out with another collaboration. This is a banger, and $49.50. Can we talk about the price for a quick second? $49.50 and you get all of this stuff. Like, I don't think people understand. Like, I'm shook off of the price, let alone the packaging. Like, anywho, I'll get into all of that in the video, but I'm so happy for him. He's doing his thing and definitely an inspiration unto others. But the cool thing about this whole collection, you guys, is that if you are a beginner, he created this to be so simple. I created this look. Like, if you're a beginner and you're just now getting into makeup, this entire set is for you, sis. Like, you can complete an entire look and everybody will be like, where are you going? Who did your makeup? I did. Why? Because Patrickstarr assisted me by creating this collaboration. So this releases today, April 19th, in all stores across North America. So if you can get your hands on it physically, definitely get to your MAC stores, your MAC counters, Ulta Beauty. And also it is already online. So if it's sold out online, you may want to get to your nearest location where MAC is being sold. If you want to see how I got this look, then give this video a thumbs up if you like product reviews. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell because YouTube has been acting up, girl. So go ahead and put that post notification bell on so you won't miss my uploads. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So this is the packaging, as you guys have been seeing floating around on the internet. It is so gorgeous. The only thing I would change about the packaging is the white writing. You really can't see his name unless you're close up, or even what's in here unless you're close up. But other than that, I love florals. As you guys can see, I have my flowers back there. I love pinks and all of that. Hence the reason I have on my pink today. You did get a makeup card. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank right now. But just giving you an idea of how you can wear this particular Miso Chic set. This is the one that I wanted to try out, the Miso Chic. Although I really wanted the Miso FLEEK because of the blue. But I just had to have this lip combo here. But on the card it says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XO Patrickstarr. Congratulations again to you, Patrickstarr. This was definitely like out of nowhere. And everyone was just like shook. So I'm just super excited I was able to get my hands on it, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my look that I'm going to do. So each item comes wrapped up in this gorgeous purple plumish paper, and I'm just so excited, you guys. Like, look at the packaging. And if you guys know me, I'm a sucker for gold. I'm so happy that he put gold in here. Like, this, it was no question asked that I was going to purchase this because of the gold. Like, thank you so much, Patrick. But this is the eyeshadow quad with the 4 colors that I'm going to be trying today here on my eyes. And here is the lip. The lip gloss is in Mama Star Kiss and Sweet Mama Star. The packaging, you guys, once again, the fact that these are $49.50, everybody needs to get their hands on at least one. And then last but not least, I have the I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo, and of course the packaging as well. Like, he did an amazing job on this packaging. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to do a quick, simple look, but these purples are like, they're calling me. So we're going to start off with Patrickstarr. Ooh, I hope I'm getting that right. But I'm going to start off with this matte shade here in the crease, using my MAC 224 brush. And I'll just put that in the crease. And I'm going to go ham on this because this is about to be banging. So far, I'm liking it. And if I'm talking weird, as I mentioned in my other video, I just got my wisdom teeth pulled recently, and girl, the sinuses and everything is just jacked up. But I was so excited to do this video, so I had to do this. I had to support my boy. So next, I'm gonna go in with this dark color here, this dark purple, and put that in my crease. Not in my crease. I'm gonna drag it up to the crease, but on my outer V. So I'm gonna take a smaller, fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna tap that and put that in my crease to give it almost a smoky effect. I'm gonna just tap that on both sides, and then drag it up. Looks like I have more in this shade. This is in my outer V, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. Now, I am going to use a flat brush like this. And if you hear talking, that is Bae on the phone, too excited, knowing that I'm recording. Like, really? I'm not gonna put any spray on it. Wow. That's without spray, you guys. Oh, Patrick, come on, come through. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's basically it for the eyes. Let me go ahead and wipe off my excess powder again. And now I'm going to go in with the duo, the I'm Not Blushing Powder Duo. So I'm going to take this bronzer and just go along my face as well. And let's see how that turns out. I actually added some warmth to my face. I didn't think that this would work for my skin tone at first, but I like it. And let's just see. Put that on the apples of my cheek. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a, I don't want to do too much, but I'll put something on, you know. I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of mascara. I'm going to use a Bad Gal Bang mascara. You guys know this has been my favorite lately. Just going to do one coat of that by Benefit. I'm going to put these falsies on. This is by Fox Lashes. You guys seen me post them on my Instagram. Definitely go check them out. These are super soft, so comfortable. And I'll link their information down below in the description box, as well as their Instagram page, so you can check them out. So I'm going to be putting those on. Since this is a dramatic look, I have to be dramatic. I'm going to quickly put these on. I'm going to put these on and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my lashes. I also put a little bit of Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby and Moscow Mule Kilowatt set in the inner tear duct. I'm going to put a little bit more. And now onto the lips. I'm going to take my, as you can see, it's been my favorite. It is hardly nothing on this. This is the NYX lip pencil in the color Nude Truffle. So I'm going to line my lips with that. And then I'm going to go in with Sweet Mama Star lipstick. This is a beautiful color. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. A beautiful everyday color. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't even want to use it every day because of the packaging. I don't want it to be gone. And then to top that, I'm going to go in with the gloss, Mama Star Kiss. And this is a beautiful, like, glitter, almost like glitter on it. And I'm just going to tap that on. I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay spray. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up for more product reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.